Oh, Mama, give it apple.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. Yeah, I'm starting today's video in my daughter's room. So loves, I want to go make my hair. Might be a maintenance vlog. So I want to go make my hair, do my nails. I'm looking like a mad woman. Yeah. As you guys can see, my hair has not been plaited. So I look like a mad woman. So I want to go and take care of myself. And yeah, so sorry about the the last video you guys saw me ranting that I might not upload a new video, blah blah blah. Like I was just tired of the views I'm getting, which was so super annoying. Like you post video in 12 in less than 12 hours and you cannot boast of 200 views in less than 12 hours. It's just annoying. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section why did you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel? What was the video that encouraged you to subscribe? So maybe I'll be uploading that because you love that kind of content. Yeah, because my YouTube is versatile. Like there's a lot of content on my YouTube. So let me know in the comment section what's your favorite content and what you like to see more, so I can be able to be creating those kind of content for you. Or yeah, I noticed that this stay at home mom vlog and the rest, it gives me view, but I can't keep on be writing the same title all the time. For me, even if this is not my channel and I'm coming to someone's channel to watch, if I keep on saying stay at home mom, I will like it's the same routine. So what's new about it? You understand? So that's why sometimes even if I'm doing like my stay at home mom duties, I change the title so that you can be able to watch it. You're not putting same stay at home mom, stay at home mom. So if you like anything stay at home mom, let me know in the comment section. If you like something new and different, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so I'm using these 2 minutes to rant myself. Yes, because guys, I am exhausted. Like YouTube for me right now is my source of income. Yeah, to be honest with you guys, YouTube is my source of income because I am not working. I'm in the house. Yeah, and I cannot always be depending on Oga's money. I need to make my own money too. Why? Which is why I start doing YouTube, uploading video on YouTube and making 2 naira and 3 naira. But if the views are not going up, the income is not coming forth. Yeah, so it's kind of tiring because to go and do 6 to 9 job in Nigeria, now you go they spend your own money, they do transport because right now transportation is freaking expensive because fuel has gone up and all that. Sorry guys, I'm ranting throughout this 3 minutes or 4 minutes. I hope you watch it because this is why I am anyway. So the next clip you see me when I sleep. All right guys, so maybe I'll do a sit down video and rant out my life. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Oh, Mama, give it up.
So let's make some detox juice. Okay, I'm using parsley, orange, apple, and pear, and ginger. Okay, this is the parsley I'll be using. I'll be grinding all of the whole parsley. I've sliced all my ingredients inside. Then I'll blend it. I'll be feeling bloated, like my stomach have been increasing. Don't know why. Maybe it's that time of the month. So this week stroke next week, you guys will be seeing more of juice, making juice, so that to help me reduce the bloatness in my stomach. Okay love, so yeah, this is a very detox juice. This made me go to use the restroom a lot. I took this when I came back from making my hair. I did not take this immediately because I was going to the salon, so I don't want anything that would discomfort me while I go make my hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, please share, and comment as well. So guys, this is me in the salon, just feeling myself. Yeah, so I'll make my nails and also braid my hair. I'm doing like a 30 inches braids. Okay, you guys are gonna see it. So this is just me making my nails and also chatting with my stylist as well. I hope you enjoyed.
But if anybody know they send me money, no, they really make am know my life as I do. So I broke.
Everybody broke.
But if you see person wey dey find herself for over na Ghana, I be available.
You dey available for herself.
Like the best time no life for Ghana.
Yeah, my hand.
The hand is always on water. I know because
Some people don't like taste of water. Some people. Eh. So that's why some waters they have this water that have flavor inside. Yes.
I like it with you. I like it with you. And the hours will melt all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains. You're taking out the trash and the burdens. We got all the time, ain't no worries. I like it with you and it. Make me take a little look. Can we finish it? And then get busy getting back into.
Guys, she has to blow dry my hair so that she can be able to plait it. You know, my hair is natural, and she also used a heat protector because I was telling them I don't want my hair to cut. This is the length of the hair. Like I told you guys, it's gonna be like a 30 inches braid. Okay, we're just doing all back. Alright, do not think too much. I ordered for jollof rice and chicken with salad, which I'll be enjoying while they are making my hair because you have to eat food though. Yeah, so baby girl I've already slept, so I'm just going to enjoy the food and keep on making my hair.
Into the thick of it, yeah. Take a second, breathe it in. Now out again. I'm still understanding just how you do. The magic when you look at me. Know what I'm saying? It inside your seat. Oh, and just like when we said I do. And it's only you who could do like that. It's only you who could do like. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand that we dance, we ain't got no plans. I like it with you. I like it with you. When the hours feel melt all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains. You're taking out the trash and the burdens. Ain't got all the time, ain't no worries. I like it when you tell me that. Just for the shots, your skin
Skin na oil. My skin will be oil. Oily skin.
Yes, they do.
She says yeah, she fast.
Mama.
Yeah, baby. You fell down? Oh, leave it alone.
So gloves, at this point there was no light. We had to use like a phone touch light to on for them to finish my hair because it's already late. It was around that kind after 7 and there was no light and the generator did refuses to draw. So right now she's using hot water to press my hair. It was sweeting and paining me at the same time. It did sweet me, it did pain me. That's what I was thinking. It was sweeting and paining me at the same time.
Ugo wenja huzo. Putava sio, putava. Akugo putava. Elele beje yolo. Akweke putava ne. Elele beje yolo. Ndeba anyine chese.
So guys, I just got back and I just showed you guys my hair. Like it's pretty long. Yeah. Hobby and baby girl is like Hobby got some pizza for us to eat. I don't know if I'll eat it because it's pretty late. Maybe I'll just drink my juice. Remember the juice I made in the morning? I didn't drink it. I kept it in the fridge because that kind of juice can make you go toilet well. And I want to go and make mine, so I'm not drinking that in the morning. So I'm going to drink it this night. So I'll show you guys the pizza how big God. It's so juicy. Like I feel like eating it. I don't know if I'll eat it or not. If I eat it, I don't know. Sha, I'll show you guys the juice. Thank you all so much for watching to this extent. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay, guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hmm? Pepe. Papa, I've given you Pepe.
Pepper.
Where are you going to? There's pepper inside. Babe, there's pepper inside.
Ezokwezekwu kile ụmụ nwanyị ndamụrụ n'Imo steeti mama. Ezokwezekwu kile ụmụ nwanyị ndamụrụ n'Imo